Welcome! In this Excel tutorial, we will learn how to convert all words and letters to lowercase in Excel. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rob Gaffer, and my goal is to provide you with quick and easy tutorials that don't waste your time. Make sure to like and subscribe if my videos helped you. Here, we have a list of different names that we need to convert to lowercase letters. If we only have one or a few names, the easiest thing would be to just type it manually like this. But this approach will not work if we have hundreds or thousands of names that need to be changed. Thanks to Excel, we can update all names easily with the help of the lower function. Lower function in Microsoft Excel, by definition, converts all uppercase letters in a text string to lowercase. Let's see how it works. Start with an equal sign, type lower, and open the brackets. Select the first cell you want to convert to lowercase and close the brackets. Click Enter and you will see that it worked for the first name. Then simply click on the bottom right side of the cell and drag the function to all other cells you want to be converted. Now you know how to convert all words and letters to lowercase in Excel. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and let me know in the comments what else you want to learn on my channel.